Can artificial intelligence, the creation of our own hands, spell the end of our times? This thought-provoking question brings us face to face with the enigma of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's more commonly known. Born from a fusion of science and imagination, the concept of AI began as a dream, a vision of creating machines that could think and learn like humans. This dream, however, was not just about replicating human intelligence, it was about augmenting it, about creating tools that could help us solve complex problems more efficiently. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we find ourselves in an era where AI is no longer a distant dream, but a rapidly evolving reality. From personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles and advanced robotics, AI technology has infiltrated almost every aspect of our lives. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, the influence of AI continues to grow, often in ways that we might not even realize. The timeline of AI is a testament to the relentless pursuit of human innovation. In the throes of the mid-20th century, we saw the birth of AI, as scientists began to dream of a world where machines could mimic human intelligence. This dream materialized into reality with the advent of the 21st century, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of AI. This evolution didn't stop there. Artificial intelligence began to weave itself into the fabric of our everyday lives. It revolutionized healthcare, making diagnoses more accurate and treatments more personalized. It transformed transportation, giving birth to autonomous vehicles and intelligent traffic systems. It even redefined entertainment, creating immersive experiences that were once only the stuff of science fiction. Fast forward to today, AI has become an integral part of our world. Its influence continues to grow, and its potential seems limitless. As we stand on the precipice of the future, one can't help but wonder about the implications of a world heavily influenced by AI. The question remains, is AI the harbinger of a new age or the sign of the end times? In this digital symphony, we've danced through the enigma and history of artificial intelligence. Now, we stand at the precipice, peering into an uncertain future. AI, in its vibrant and often intimidating complexity, brings a mixed bag of promises and threats. On the bright side, it can revolutionize industries, elevate healthcare, and even combat climate change. But like a double-edged sword, it has the potential to disrupt job markets, breach privacy, and, unchecked, could lead to an AI-dominated dystopia. The key here is responsible AI development and usage, a balance between innovation and caution. It's not about stifling progress, but ensuring that human values and ethics guide this digital juggernaut. The answer lies in our hands, in how we shape and control this powerful tool. For in the end, AI is but a mirror of our own potential, for better or for worse.